How to manage Truecaller storage on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage Truecaller storage. First, just open Truecaller and now click on your profile, and once you're here click the settings icon and then scroll down until you find data and storage. Click on it. Now click manage storage, and that's it. Here you can manage Truecaller storage, and now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.